Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own online food ordering website using WordPress, all with booking features and totally free app integration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional website ready to take orders and delight your customers, with a professional look and all the essential features baked right in. Whether you're building for your own restaurant, a family business, or even helping a friend, you'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding this process can be. Let's jump straight in. First things first, open up WordPress. This is your website dashboard, the control room, if you will, where all your design and content decisions happen. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. You'll land on the main page, often called the dashboard. Think of this as your restaurant kitchen, where all the magic starts before anything reaches a customer. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. This section is all about the look and feel of your site, the decor and layout, if you imagine your website as your actual restaurant. Now click on Themes. Themes are like the interior design templates for WordPress, letting you change the entire vibe of your site with just a few clicks. Alright, let's add a new theme. Find and click the Add New button at the top of the page. This will bring up a huge library of themes you can browse through, kind of like flipping through paint swatches, but for your entire business website. In the search bar that appears, simply type Restaurant. This will filter the themes to only show those designed for restaurants, food services, and all things delicious. Take your time scrolling through the options. You'll notice plenty of great layouts, and each one is a little different. Some themes focus on large, mouth-watering images, while others prioritize menus, booking forms, or customer reviews. When you spot a theme that feels right for your brand, hover your mouse over it and click Install. After it finishes installing, this might take a few seconds, click Activate. Now your whole site's appearance will switch to this new design. It's kind of like redecorating your dining room overnight. With your theme active, it's time to really make the site your own. Click on Customize. This tool is where you'll personalize your website, adding in your business name, setting up your menu, uploading your logo and those tempting food photos, and filling in all the essential details. Don't be afraid to experiment here. If you ever want to preview your changes before making them public, just use the preview function. You can start by updating the site title and tagline, which tells visitors who you are and what makes your spot special. Then look for sections to add your food menu, opening hours, contact info, maybe some photos of your most popular dishes or cozy interior. Adding clear booking or ordering options is key. Many restaurant themes include simple tools for that, or you can add a plugin later for even more features. Remember, every small detail here helps your visitors feel confident ordering from you online. If any step feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry, customization takes a little trial and error. Think of it like plating a dish. Sometimes you need to adjust until everything looks just right, and that's it. In just a few steps, you've set up the foundation of a beautiful, functional online ordering website for your restaurant, ready for bookings and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help on a specific step. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.